In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup Brain in just about 5 minutes. Clickup has rapidly become a cornerstone for individuals and teams aiming to streamline their workflows and enhance productivity. With its new feature, Clickup Brain, leveraging artificial intelligence to boost productivity is more intuitive than ever. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of getting started and making the most out of Clickup Brain. First things first, navigate to Clickup's main page. This is your gateway to unlocking a plethora of productivity tools designed to cater to virtually every aspect of your work. The interface is user-friendly, but more importantly, it's where your productivity journey kicks off. The homepage of Clickup is neatly designed, ensuring you find what you need without hassle. You'll notice the enticing "the everything app for work" slogan, a testament to Clickup's versatility. Upon landing on the page, your next move is to enter your email. Whether you're a seasoned Clickup user or just starting, this step is straightforward. Input the email address you've associated with your Clickup account or plan to use for a new registration. This is crucial for individualizing your experience and ensuring that all your work is synchronized under your unique profile. Following your email entry, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember, security is key in today's digital world, so ensure your password is robust yet memorable. If you're setting up a new account, choose a password that's a healthy balance of complexity and recollection. For existing users, if your password doesn't spring to mind, there's always the option to reset it to avoid any hiccups in accessing your workspace. Once you have filled in your credentials, the next step is as simple as clicking on the Login button. This action is the bridge to your digital workspace, where productivity takes center stage. A tip here is to double check your details before logging in to prevent any access issues. After successfully logging in, head over to your home in Clickup, or in our guide's case, Nance Workspace. This personal or team workspace is the heart of your productivity environment. It's where all your projects, tasks, and notes coexist. The layout is designed to be intuitive, ensuring you spend less time searching and more time doing. Now, for the exciting part, accessing Clickup Brain. On your dashboard, you'll notice an icon dedicated to utilizing Clickup AI. This is your conduit to the Clickup Brain feature. An intuitive design ensures this icon is noticeable, standing as a beacon for cutting-edge productivity enhancement. Click on the Clickup Brain option. This is where the magic happens. Clickup Brain uses AI to streamline processes, answer questions, and even generate content, ensuring you're always a step ahead. The interface here is sleek and user-friendly, inviting you to experiment and explore all the possibilities this powerful tool offers. And there you have it. You're now well versed in accessing and navigating Clickup Brain. From logging into Clickup to embarking on a journey of enhanced productivity with Clickup Brain, every step is designed to be seamless and impactful. Remember, the key to making the most out of Clickup Brain lies in experimentation. Don't hesitate to explore different commands and utilize the AI to its full potential. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to leveraging Clickup Brain to elevate your productivity levels. Whether it's managing tasks, generating content, or simply seeking assistance in your digital workspace, Clickup Brain is a tool designed to make your work life not just easier, but also more intuitive. Remember, as with any tool, the more you familiarize yourself with its capabilities, the more you can harness its full potential. So dive in, explore, and let Clickup Brain transform the way you work. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide serves as a valuable resource in your quest for peak productivity. Happy tasking, and see you in the next video.